Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Keeping this in mind, the first property that we are going to discuss is the transform. Or using transform, you can add 2D or 3D transformation to an element. Now, first things first, you can find this in the advanced tab of any widget. Now for this example that I have created right over here, now this is basically a text path widget. Okay, and you must have seen, basically this type of an animation where when you hover your cursor over a stamp, it basically rotates on hover. So this is what I have created using a text path widget just to showcase what a transform can do to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this and I'm going to head over to advanced, and there you can see the transform widget. Now in the transform widget, you will find option to rotate, offset, scale, skew, or flip. So what I have done here is I have set the rotation to 180 degrees in the hover state and the scale to something. I'll show you the exact value, then I've set the transition. Now it is up to you, whatever is that you want to do. That totally depends on the kind of requirements that you have. However, the transform element will let you basically set the rotation, offset, scale, skew, and flip for a widget or an element in both normal and hover state. Now keeping this in mind, let me just click the hover button over here and let me click this edit icon over here, and you can see the rotation is set to 180 degrees. Now when we set the rotation to 180 degrees, what you will see here is that the blogging unplugged is at the bottom while the tagline is on top. Now what we can do here is when I hover my mouse pointer over it, it will bring the blogging unplugged on top and the tagline at the bottom. Okay, now the next is scale. Now you can see when I hover over it, it scales out. Okay, it grows basically. So for that, what I have done is I have set the scale here to 1.2. Now it depends on you. Again, you can change it easily using this bar over here or these arrows over here. It totally depends on you. So I have set it to 1.2 and then set the transition duration to 1163 ms, which basically gives it a little bit of refinement. That's what I'm going to say here. Okay, the transition is not that quick. It's pretty refined, it's very slow, and you can see it happening. Okay, so this is what I have done here. I think you will be able to understand the basic working of a transform property. In future, I'll create a detailed video on this. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.